Hey, I'm Chachi, a cheerful bunny who loves to explore and learn new things.
Hey, I am Danny, a curious little squirrel who is learning how to do things on his own.
Danny, I think it's time for a break. Do you know what to do when you need to use the bathroom?
I know I need to go, but I'm not sure what to do next.
Don't worry, Danny. I can show you how. First, when you feel like you need to go, you tell a grown-up and head straight to the bathroom.
Got it. Tell a grown up and go to the bathroom.
This is where the magic happens. You sit on the toilet like you sit on a chair. Make sure you're comfortable.
Okay, like I sit on a chair?
Exactly, Danny. And don't forget, after you're done, it's super important to wipe carefully and flush the toilet.
That sounds fun.
Now we wash our hands with soap and water. We scrub, 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 and rinse off all the bubbles. Wash your hands, scrub-a-dub-dub.
Scrub-a-dub-dub. This is fun, Chachi.
And now, dry your hands with a towel. All done.